Here's a part of my 77 Chevy van, the Riverboat Gambler. No one gets to see really up close in my videos, so I figured I'd show you the detail in the original mural that was painted. Stayed so nice all these years. It's so cool. Now this boat still goes up and down the Mississippi. Would love to get it out there for a picture, but kind of far from New Jersey. Chrome, everything, the grill, original grill, everything is just so incredibly perfect. 77,000 miles. Garage kept all its life. This is the original factory paint still. Spotless in there too. The guy who painted this, I can't find anywhere on the internet. He signed it back. It says Mitch the Bitch. And I have videos of it and pictures, on www.either riverboatgambler.com or gamblervan.com. That's riverboatgamblervan.com, sorry. All the four bubble windows have all four aces etched in. Can't see it, but I have it in my other videos. Like I said, for paint to be on here since the late 70s is just insane. The work involved. Just so cool. You can even put this light on a little bit here. It just, reflections are insane. of all the metallic. Just loves the white. Going back in time, I can imagine how much paint like this would cost nowadays to have done. All the fading, different colors, masking, it's just blended in everywhere. Beautiful job. That's it. So sort of some close-up work of the paint that no one's seen. It's just like walking back in time. Well, have a great day. See you soon.